झुलाए रे पंगट नदिया किनारे रे आंचल।
इस वक्त अभी हम आतिफ असलम में कॉन्सर्ट पे हैं। आतिफ असलम में कुछ फ़ैन हैं हमारे साथ मौजूद। सबसे पहले इनसे पूछते हैं, आप पहले अपना नाम बताइएगा।
ज़ारा
हिबा,
कहाँ से हैं आप?
ओरिजिनली फ्रॉम लाहौर बट न्यू जर्सी में रहते हैं।
न्यू जर्सी।
You guys are sisters, friends?
सिस्टर।
Oh, wow, that's amazing. So ये आतिफ असलम के कॉन्सर्ट पे पहली दफ़ा आए हैं, इससे पहले भी आए हैं?
नहीं, पहली दफ़ा।
What have you?
मैं एक दफ़ा पहले लाहौर में गई हुई हूँ।
Oh, wow. So you
Yeah.
guys recently moved here? Or
No, I was a kid when I went to his
Oh,
concert.
wow. I'm going to ask you a few questions about Atif Aslam. So just to test your knowledge, how much you like him. So अब मुझे बताएं, उसकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ पता है आपको? आपको?
I have no idea.
चलें, that's fine. It's okay. No, most of the people don't know. चलें, ये that's good. ऐसे ही है, बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं। मुझे ये बताएं कि ये पता है किस शहर में आतिफ असलम पैदा हुआ था?
Lahore?
No.
That would be my guess.
Gujranwala.
Gujranwala.
Yeah, Gujranwala. Yes, because I saw his interview, so I remember the first interview when he went for the TV show to
Okay.
sing. तो मैंने तब उसका interview देखा था, and he said that he was from Gujranwala, but then they live in Lahore. And the fun fact is that मेरी mom बैंक में थी और उन लोगों का account उसी बैंक में था, so they used to come and my mom
Yeah,
knows
his
their
parents actually,
so-
his mom and dad.
Wow, that's amazing. That's
Yeah.
amazing. So you have a long connection.
Yes, kind of.
Yeah, that's good.
He doesn't know us, but yeah.
Okay, at least you guys know. That's good. Oh, I'm going to ask you one more thing. Do you know his wife's name?
Yeah, I know she's from Connect College.
She's gorgeous,
Sara.
mashallah.
Sara. Yeah.
You're right. Did you know that or no?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, of course. No, you're gonna say that. That's good. And tell me, which one is your favorite song from Atif Aslam?
Duri was one of my favorites in childhood. Yeah.
All of I can't decide. Like I love all his songs. I love his voice. He can sing whatever, and I just love it.
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
So, yeah.
That's amazing. No, that's good. That's good.
And then the recent one, his Pira, De
that's-
Fakira, that's
that's
really
awesome.
good.
And Tajdar Haram is my favorite.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, that's amazing. This is also one of
Yes.
the most famous songs.
Yeah.
और मुझे ये बताएं, अगर आपको आतिफ असलम से मिलने का मौका मिले, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप उससे?
I would take a selfie with him. I would thank him for all that he has created, and I would just tell him that we're a huge fan and we're so proud of him as a Pakistani.
Yeah, that's what I want to say too. Like so proud of him that he literally made us so proud by doing whatever he's doing. It's so amazing. May God bless him.
That's good. That's good. One last thing. I want you to sing one of his songs. Any 1-2 lines. Doesn't have to be the whole song.
झूला झुलाए रे पंगट नदिया किनारे रे आंचल निंदिया तू आना हवा के संग मुझको भी तू ले जाना. Is that enough?
Oh, it's more than a whole.